Most people think they already understand Phuket. They picture calm beaches, clear water, island vibes, maybe a sunset cocktail and an early night. But that version of Phuket disappears the moment the sun goes down. Because when night hits, Bangla Walking Street wakes up. And if you've never been here before, let me warn you right now. This street doesn't gently introduce itself. It throws everything at you at once. Lights, noise, music from every direction, people everywhere. This is Bangla Road at night, the heart of Phuket's nightlife, and it's loud, crowded, chaotic, and completely unapologetic. You don't really walk here. You drift. Pulled forward by sound, lights, and curiosity. Every few steps, someone's trying to get your attention. Welcome, my friend. Cheap drinks. Free entry. Come inside. Bars line both sides of the street, stacked almost on top of each other. Neon signs flashing. Bass vibrating through your chest. Different songs crashing into each other like waves. And somehow, it all works. You'll see tourists from everywhere: Europe, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, all mixed together in one place. Some are here for fun. Some for freedom. Some just to watch. Others, clearly here for more than that. Couples on vacation pushing boundaries they wouldn't dare cross back home. Solo travelers pretending they're just looking, but staying a little too long. Groups of friends already drunk, already loud, already forgetting tomorrow exists. Bangla Road has a way of doing that. It makes you feel like time doesn't matter. Like rules are softer here. Like consequences live somewhere else. And that's the illusion. Because while Bangla feels wild, it's not lawless. You'll notice security everywhere. Bouncers outside clubs. Police nearby, watching quietly. This street looks chaotic. But it's controlled chaos. That's why it survives. Street performers pop up between crowds. Dancers outside bars move like they're on a stage. Promoters repeat the same lines hundreds of times a night, every night, like it's muscle memory. Some bars are fun and playful. Some are dark and intense. Some don't even pretend to be subtle about what they're offering. And whether you like that or not, this is the reality. Bangla Walking Street doesn't care if you approve of it. Some people walk through once and say, never again. Others come back every single night like it's a ritual. Because Bangla Road gives people something they don't always get in their normal lives. Permission. Permission to be loud. To be reckless. To be someone else for a few hours. That's why this place is addictive. Money moves fast here. Drinks flow non-stop. Decisions get made in seconds. And memories? Some people remember everything. Some wake up the next morning with nothing but blurry photos and regret. That's Bangla. Behind the flashing lights and party energy, this street runs on tourism pressure. Everyone is selling something: drinks, entertainment, attention, fantasy. And tourists are buying not just with money, but with emotions. Excitement. Loneliness. Curiosity. Escape. That's what fuels this place more than alcohol. But here's the thing most videos don't tell you. Bangla Walking Street isn't good or bad. It's honest. It shows you who people become when no one from home is watching. Some people handle it fine. Some people lose themselves. And some people learn very quickly that freedom without limits can turn ugly. That's why you'll see smiles and laughter. Right next to arguments, tears, and security stepping in. All on the same street. Sometimes at the same time. And still, night after night, Bangla keeps going. Because Phuket nightlife isn't about pretending to be perfect. It's about being real. Raw. Messy. Unfiltered. And whether you love it or hate it, one thing is undeniable. Bangla Walking Street is unforgettable. If you've been here before, you already know exactly what I'm talking about. If you haven't, this is the closest you'll get without being here yourself. No filters. No edits. No sugarcoating. Just Phuket nightlife as it really is. So tell me in the comments. Would you walk Bangla Road at night, or is this way too much for you? And if you want more real, uncensored walking tours and nightlife stories from Thailand, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because trust me, Thailand always has another story waiting after dark. I'll see you in the next one.